What if beauty didn't come with anxiety? What if your screen didn't filter your face but fueled your confidence? The following proposal will outline how Dove can further establish its mission to redefine beauty for everybody, every brain, every being.
Our world is flooded with filtered perfection, contradicting advice, and pressure from peers, influencers, and companies trying to sell the next best thing. By age 13, 80% of girls already struggle with distorted body image, and 30% of adults state they feel overwhelmed by the choices. Social media worsens this, especially for neurodivergent individuals who often face sensory overload and exclusion from beauty narratives. But here lies our insight. True beauty isn't one size fits all. Dove has the legacy and now the opportunity to disrupt digital spaces with an inclusive, purpose-driven app.
To understand why Dove is the perfect fit for this innovation, let's zoom out to Unilever. Unilever follows a house of brands structure, over 400 autonomous brands in the categories like beauty and well-being, home care, and nutrition. This model allows each brand to maintain its own purpose and voice while benefiting from Unilever's global scale. Visually, we can think of Dove's role like this. Dove within the beauty and well-being division stands apart, not just as a top performer, but as a movement. While others sell beauty, Dove champions self-esteem and mental wellness. It's already changing conversations. Now it has a chance to change behavior digitally.
Using our insight that true beauty is not a one-size-fits-all, and Dove's recent campaign called The Code as a springboard for inspiration, the big idea for the brand extension is to create a mobile application that tailors itself to consumers' needs. This application would give users comprehensive information about the personal care products, detailing their textures, ingredients, fragrance profiles, and packaging. It would personally tailor the recommendations by considering diverse user characteristics of its user, such as age, neurodiversity, varying skin and hair types, gender identity, and other factors affecting self-confidence like diet and exercise. To explore and develop this idea further for the brand extension, our team has applied design thinking to the initial idea.
Introducing the Dove Real Beauty app, a mobile platform created for neurodiverse and emotionally conscious users. Key features include an inclusive selfie studio, which celebrates natural beauty with adaptive non-filter enhancements, a mood journal and wellness tracker, community and stories, where you'll find real beauty journeys moderated for emotional safety. Sensory settings, customizable for users with ADHD, autism, or sensory sensitivity. And a tailored feed with a tailored product content based on individual needs, which can be adjusted at any time. We used design thinking to build this app, with empathy as the cornerstone. In step 1, we looked at existing apps and looked even closer to what users were saying. It became evident what most beauty apps ignore: diverse sensory needs, communication preferences, and the emotional toll of comparison. In step 2, we saw a clear gap: an app that replaces filtered perfection with real support and confidence-building habits. In step 3, we ideated solutions which included personalized Dove product routines with tiered pricing, age-appropriate content, positive habit rewards like journaling or affirmations, and self-esteem-linked wellness incentives. In step 4, our prototype offers a seamless user experience. From age-based sign-ins to personalized skincare suggestions, every detail is inclusive. Users get product information, motivation nudges, and real self-care prompts, no airbrushed ideals. In step 5, we tested. Through focus groups, Figma usability testing, and landing pages, we could evaluate emotional resonance, feature appeal, and user satisfaction. Compared to apps like Think Dirty or Yuka, Dove's emotional wellness focus is a game changer.
The proposed brand extension's alignment with Dove's brand stems from the brand's existing campaigns, like The Code, and its long-standing campaign, real beauty. It takes these a step further in terms of relevance and fills a gap in the market. The main factor that contributes to this gap and this opportunity is that consumers are seeking a trustworthy, safe, and easy-to-use resources to find what they really need for their own healthy skin. The app aligns with Dove as it furthers their messaging to not conform to societal standards of beauty. It provides a space without the pressure and is truly tailored to users' needs with fact-based information, all relevant to what each user needs for their own real beauty.
To ensure consistency, we looked closely at Dove's identity and positioning. Dove's identity is rooted in empathy, care, and purposeful action. Its positioning, a trusted care brand that challenges toxic beauty norms and uplifts emotional wellness. Extensions that stray from identity confuse consumers, but ones that amplify core values, they deepen loyalty, trust, and market presence. The app reflects Dove's belief that beauty should empower, not create anxiety. Having looked closely at Dove's brand identity, the following positioning statement was created for the brand extension. More than skin deep, the Dove Wellness and Beauty app is your daily companion for self-care, confidence, and compassionate beauty. Designed to offer skincare meant to nourish the whole you, mind, body, and self-esteem, all in one trusted space. Delivering personalized, inclusive, and emotionally supportive solutions that celebrates individuality beyond superficial surface-level beauty ideas.
The proposed brand extension will tap into underrepresented markets, one of which is neurodiverse individuals who are too scared to try new skincare for fear that it won't feel right, and people who are frozen with the limitless choices for skincare with nowhere to turn to for guidance. It will take a digitally geared campaign, The Code, a step further by entering into the digital realm. This will further establish Dove's relevance, especially with digital natives like Gen Z. It addresses a growing need for inclusive, simple guidance on skincare at the tips of your fingers with convenience and without pressure. The benefits are plenty, but to name the key points, the app will provide a well of preference and usage data. Not only does it address the growing customer concern, but provides Dove with the opportunity to expand their products using their informed data, and with key features on the app like coupons and discounts, it will strengthen loyalty with old and new customers.
Over the next 3 to 5 years, the proposed brand extension will have the following key outcomes: a deepened consumer loyalty and lifetime value, a competitive edge through data intelligence, a new platform for brand and category expansion, and major reach in the youth market and digital natives. By launching the Dove Real Beauty app, we're not just responding to trends, we're leading a movement. This bold step puts Dove and Unilever on a future-forward path, embracing digital transformation, building deeper connections with consumers, and strengthening long-term brand love. It's not just beauty, it's real beauty, reimagined for the digital age.